In this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can export a video in Premiere Pro. Okay, it's very quick and easy. So I'll just let me just put this here as a video for an example, and I'll drag it for that long. Okay, but you want to go ahead and edit your video fully, and then when it comes to export your video, all you have to do is click on this button right here. So you can see it says import, then you're on the edit page right now. Then you want to go to the export button, tap on export. Okay, that's going to bring you up this screen, and what you can do is you can select media file, or if you want to export for YouTube, Vimeo, Twitter, Facebook, and all these other ones, you can select that, or you can just select media file, set all your export settings. Okay, it's going to be different for everyone what sort of export settings you want to use, but I'll have my preset right here. Okay, I load my preset, and then I just give my file a name right here. So I'll just write test render 2 for an example. That'll be an MP4 file. That's perfect. It gives you the estimated file size right here. Okay, then you simply just hit the export button right there. So if I hit on export, you can see this is just quickly exporting the video, and you want to make sure that you set the location as to where it's going to export, like your desktop or a specific folder where you like to export your videos. And as you can see, it's just finishing up this quick render right now. Okay, that's finished, and I can go to my desktop, and here's the video right here. Okay, so it's just a blank video right here, but that's been exported. And then you can go back into Premiere Pro and you can start working on a new project or whatever you want to do. So that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.